To power on the LINX 9810 or 9830, press the green power button on the left side of the display. The system now starts automatically. Wait for initialization to finish, and do not operate the screen during startup. To shut down the machine, tap the red shutdown button at the lower right of the main screen. When the confirmation message appears, select Yes. The printer will complete its shutdown sequence automatically. Wait until the screen turns off, and do not disconnect the power while it is shutting down.